Place cotton pads all around the rim of a glass, and you'll see something perfect for you. Prepare a few pads in a glass, then arrange the pads so they overlap slightly and cover the entire rim. Add a second layer by shifting the pads between the first ones. Place a small plate on top of the glass, hold it, turn the glass over, and lift it slowly so the pads remain on the plate and form a rose shape. Add a few drops of your favorite essential oil or spray it with perfume. Place it in the bathroom or on a shelf in the living room. Your home will smell better than ever, and this simple cotton pad flower works beautifully as a small decorative scent. Your home will smell for 3 days and the 3 nights. Even the neighbors will catch a whiff of it. To prepare these fragrant bowls, we need 3 lemons. Cut off the end of the citrus so it can stand. Then cut it into quarters without slicing all the way through. Prepare each lemon differently, and each one will have a different purpose for a specific room in the house. Lay out the first fruit and place it in a bowl. Sprinkle it generously with salt. The next ingredient will be rubbing alcohol. Pour in 1 teaspoon. It acts as a carrier of the scent and is essential for preparing the first mixture. Let us know in the comments which city you're watching us from. Next, prepare the second lemon. Pour 1 tablespoon of salt into it. It has moisture-absorbing properties. Take your favorite laundry detergent. Pour 1/3 of the cap onto the salt and the lemon. Their scents will mix, creating a pleasant aroma of fresh laundry. Towards the end of the video, I'll show you which bowl to place in each room for the best effect. Sprinkle salt on the 3rd lemon as well. Then take a few cloves. They have an intense scent with practical applications. Place the lemon with cloves near the entrance doors and on the terrace. It will repel insects, flies, and pests thanks to its strong scent. Additionally, it smells delightful. Put the bowl with laundry detergent in the bathroom. Thanks to it, a pleasant scent of fresh laundry will linger for 3 days. It can replace air freshener spray. Finale. Place the last bowl next to the bed. Citrus aromatherapy aids in falling asleep. The scent of citrus positively affects the brain, potentially improving concentration. Moreover, lemon essential oil supports the treatment of anxiety and depressive symptoms. Preparing these bowls is easy, and they have a beautiful scent with practical applications in the home. Take a tampon and thoroughly soak it with floor cleaner. Open the toilet and prepare a piece of tape. Place the tampon on the rim of the toilet bowl and secure it with the tape. Its absorbent structure holds the scent for a long time and releases it gradually. This way, every time you open the toilet, a fresh, pleasant fragrance will rise, and you won't feel embarrassed by unpleasant bathroom odors anymore. Don't buy wax melts and candles filled with paraffin and chemicals. Replace them with this. Pour coffee into a ceramic oil burner, add a few cloves, and sprinkle in a pinch of cinnamon. Drizzle in a small amount of olive oil. Light a tea light candle and place it inside the burner. After a moment, the aromas will begin to release. Then add a little water and a few slices of orange. As it warms, the scent becomes even more cozy and soothing. It's a natural way to create a beautiful fragrance in your home without artificial additives. Sprinkle cloves onto a toilet paper roll. This trick solved so many problems for me. Grab a bowl and place a regular toilet paper roll inside. Pour warm water over it so the paper soaks through and becomes soft. After a moment, remove the cardboard tube from the center. Now squeeze out the excess water. The paper should be only slightly damp. Tear it into smaller pieces and fill a container with them. The pieces can be different sizes. Now prepare the cloves. They have a strong, spicy scent that lingers in the air for a long time. Add 1 spoonful of cloves to a grinder and blend them into a fine powder to make the scent even stronger. Take another bowl and pour in about 200 milliliters of warm water. Add the ground cloves. Stir in half a spoonful of cinnamon to boost the mix and make the aroma even more intense and long-lasting. Finally, add a few drops of lavender essential oil. Let it sit for about 20 minutes so the ingredients blend together. After that, pour the mixture over the paper in the container. Cover it with aluminum foil and poke small holes in it so the aroma can slowly release. And that's it. Your natural air freshener is ready. Place it in the living room or any room, and the scent will spread quickly. You can also set it near a window or a balcony door. The smell creates a pleasant barrier and can help reduce mosquitoes, moths, ants, and other insects. A simple way to keep bugs out of your home, no chemicals and no effort. Sprinkle cinnamon with salt, and you won't believe the results. Prepare a glass bowl and pour coarse salt into it. Salt works as a natural absorber of moisture and odors, and thanks to its structure, it holds the other ingredients in place. It slowly absorbs aromas and releases them into the air, making it an ideal base. Take fabric softener, measure 1 cap, and add it to the salt. Next, add a handful of cloves. They contain natural essential oils that release gradually, enhance the scent, refresh the air, and help neutralize unpleasant odors. Then prepare 4 cinnamon sticks. Cinnamon, like cloves, contains intense aromatic oils. Press the cinnamon sticks into the salt. Add vinegar as the final ingredient. It helps refresh the space and reduces unwanted odors. Your mixture is ready. Place it on a table to gently freshen the room, by a window where airflow will help release the scent while absorbing moisture, or in the toilet to keep the space smelling fresh. It's a simple, low-cost way to reduce moisture and bring a pleasant scent into your home. This way, you'll definitely impress your family and friends. Start by preparing 2 bottles of liquid soap. Choose ones with a soft color, but make sure they're clear enough. Carefully remove all the labels from the bottles. This is an important step, as you'll see in a moment. Now get some small, colorful decorations. The choice is yours, but remember they need to fit through the bottle opening. Open the container and drop in your chosen decorations. Multicolored pieces work best for an eye-catching effect. After adding them, close the bottle and gently shake it so they spread evenly. Thanks to removing the labels beforehand, you'll see the colorful elements floating inside. Place the finished soaps in your bathroom. Their look immediately draws attention. It's a unique decoration that creates a special mood. Anyone who sees it will be pleasantly surprised by your creativity. It's a quick and inexpensive way to add a memorable touch. These soaps also make great small gifts. Pierce the glue tube with a needle, thread it through, and create something unique. Start wrapping the string around an inflated balloon, guiding it in different directions. Cross the layers to form a dense mesh so the entire surface is evenly covered. The more layers you add, the sturdier it will be. Once everything is dry, pop the balloon. Cut a small opening and remove the remaining balloon pieces from inside. Place small lights inside. You'll create a decorative lamp that draws attention and gives the room a cozy, designer-style atmosphere.